numbers. So just to show you how that works, I'm going to now swipe across to my iPad and show you the scribble feature just quickly, because I'm mindful of our time we have. So let's just make sure we have. Now I'm just going to swipe across and I'll just connect to my iPad. Okay. And where are we? Okay, I've just lost my... Okay, I'm just trying to get my iPad back. So hide it underneath? No. Okay, I'm just going to quit Reflector for a moment and restart it. That's the program I'm actually using to wirelessly mirror my iPad onto the device, onto the screen. And we'll just try again. This looks promising. Okay, that's better. And I'll just make that full screen so we can see it.